Hello and welcome again to lecture number 10. In this lecture, we will give a little introduction about the professional service software license optimization or SLO, and we will discuss in the next slide how SLO started. So how did SLO start? Around 10 years ago, IT professionals and different stakeholders who are responsible for the purchase and management of software licenses started to have a question mark on the huge amounts of money that they are paying for the software publishers, and thus they started to ask the help of other professionals, internal or exterior to the organization, to help. And those professionals are qualified to offer the help that they understood very well the license scheme of the vendor. Those professionals, or let us say consultants, started to contribute and help organizations in sizing their software requirements and threw the spotlight on the areas of overspending and how it can be overcome. Step by step, this kind of service started to spread worldwide under the name of software license optimization, or abbreviated as SLO. And those consultants succeeded to help different organizations from different industries to save a lot of money and to mitigate the audit risk.